Yes. Inscriptions and edicts. Inscriptions refer to writings and text carved on solid objects like pillars. Okay? Walls of temples, fort, caves, palaces, stone or copper tablets. They provide us with valuable information about many things, the rulers, the dates, the extent of their empires as well. Important events and many other important aspects of particular period. Inscriptions are useful and reliable as these were written during the reign of the kings, and most of them are still intact today. The study of inscription is known as epigraphy. So during the king's reign or the rulers who were there, they made sure that whatever inscription is going on, it had to be perfect information, so that after them whoever comes is going to see and they will believe that what used to go on during that, how was that king, what was his perfection, isn't it? So people are going to talk about him if he's a good person, I mean if he does the right things. It was like that. So we come to know about stones, people inscription, like we have known so many, we go to temples, we go to many historical places, inscriptions are there on the wall, on the pillars. Something is written in Sanskrit, some places it's written in Urdu, some places it's written in some other language, Aryan language or other prehistoric time language they used, which we don't understand. But the archaeologists who have gone through this excavation, they have learnt a lot and they go into it, they studied about it and they come and give us information, and that information is called as epigraphy. So these are the inscriptions which is called epigraphy, the people who learn about it and give us the information. Second is edicts. Edicts is a type of command, not a computer command which you put in, but yes, if we put a command in the computer, the information comes out. So like that, there was a huge ruler called great ruler, Ashoka the Great. His commands were called the inscriptions on the stone. It's like which we call in Hindi Pathar pe lakir. So that was Ashoka the Great. It's like that. Edicts are royal commands issued by rulers. The Ashokan edicts inscribed on rocks and pillars have helped historians to reconstruct the history of the Mauryan period. That was Ashoka's rule. He gave orders and he wanted not to put it on paper. He wanted to put it so that people cannot erase it. You cannot erase it with your rubber. What you do, you write on the benches with your pen, with your pencil, then someone sits and erases it. Or you take your compass and you go putting something, or you're writing something on the wall. That's which is of no use. We try to write it so that no one can rub it off. So that's called an edict. We want people to know about us, and that is put down into history. So whatever Ashoka wrote has gone down into history, and we are reading about it. We are learning about how he ruled, how his rules were, what were the laws. Okay. Now we come to coins. The study of coins is called numismatics. Numismatics, not mathematics. It is called numismatics. Numerous gold, silver, copper and lead coins have been found. Many coins contain legends and inscriptions revealing details about the names of rulers and the period of their reign. Our knowledge of the Kushan, Gupta, Bactrian, Indo-Greek and Indo-Parthian dynasties rest chiefly on conclusions drawing from the study of coins. Coins, the emperors used to put their picture on it, or they had a logo on it. During that reign, this logo was there. And then they didn't have 50 paisa, 1 paisa, or 1 rupee, 2 rupee or 5 rupee coins. They had emblems, so they used to come to know what is the value of that coin. Now we have 5 rupees, now we have 10 rupees also. 50 paisa, 25 paisa is no more in the market, that has been stopped. But people have that still at home. So that's also history. You have history, you have collected it. So you can tell your children will tell their children, see, my great grandfather had kept this. This is also history. So this is all about coins. I'm coming back in the next video.